This remote job I'm about to show you will pay you $15 to $22 per hour, and this is basically for students and people who are looking for this. So before we jump right in, my name is JB and I make videos around making money online and get paid. And don't forget to turn on the subscribe button and give this video a like. So number one here is transcribe me. As you can see over here, become a freelancer and start earning anywhere. So you'll be a freelancer using this platform I'm showing you right now. These remote jobs are basically for students where they can turn their writing skills into real cash. This platform has been around since 2006. And here is the happy freelancers who has turned their writing skills into real cash. Here is the excellent review coming from these freelancers, and you can also watch these reviews on YouTube. That's amazing. And if you want to get started, you create an account, connect your paper and take the entrance exam. Boom. Mind you, this remote job I'm showing you need a paper account to receive your payment. Don't play. So let's look over to number 2, Shutterstock. Shutterstock is one of the most stock photo companies on the internet, and this platform is where you can turn your photos and videos into cash. This platform is where bloggers and most YouTubers get photos and videos to use on their content or websites, and you can actually get paid for each photos or video they downloaded. Not only that, there are current opportunities that best match your experience you can apply for in this platform, and these are people who will become part of their success. As you can see over right here, they have over 1 billion plus images, video clips, music tracks people has downloaded from this platform. And over here, they have customers in 150 countries who are making use of this platform. So if this platform interests you, kindly go on the comment down below, type in your name, where you're watching from. I will be responding to every comment down below. That brings us to VIP Kids. So if you're someone who loves teaching, this platform here will provide you the chance to teach in your comfort home at your own time. And with this company, you can actually get paid $22 per hour for just teaching kids out there. And here is a short intro about them. They have grown over 1 million students on this platform. This platform has been educating students since 2014 till date. And these are teachers like you who have been teaching on this platform. Here is a review on this platform and teaching experience. So if they can do it, you can probably do the same thing right there. Don't play. This platform I'm about to show you is the easiest high-paying job I have ever come across. User testing. This platform pays you to visit websites or mobile apps by completing tasks or speak good about this website or app they are launching as a review. And you can get paid $10 for every 20 minutes you complete tasks. And if you want to work for this platform, you need a PC or iPad and a steady internet connection, and you must be at least 18 years of age with a knowledge of English grammar. So if you want me to be dropping tutorial like this, hit the subscribe button so whenever I upload one amazing video, you'll be the first to be notified. See you in this video. Don't play.